In this video, we listed the 5 best dash cam on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AZDOME M300S 4K Dash Cam. The AZDOME M300S 4K plus 1080p Dash Cam is a high-performance car DVR designed with advanced features for enhanced driving safety and convenience. It supports dual-camera recording at 4K, 3840x2160p, for the front and full HD 1080p for the rear, capturing clear details such as vehicle plates and road signs. Key features include built-in GPS for accurate route and speed tracking, 5.8G Wi-Fi for real-time video streaming via the AZDOME app, and voice control capabilities to operate functions like taking pictures or enabling Wi-Fi hands-free. The dashcam also features super night vision with an f1.8 aperture, 24-hour parking monitor with collision detection, and loop recording to ensure continuous video storage without manual intervention. It comes bundled with a 64GB microSD card and supports up to 128GB external memory. The unit is robustly built with a hidden assembly mode, powered by supercapacitors rather than batteries, and is compatible with various languages and operating systems, making it a versatile choice for modern vehicle surveillance needs. Number 2. REDTIGER F9 Dash Cam. The REDTIGER F9 Dash Cam is a high-performance automotive accessory designed to enhance driving safety and convenience. Featuring a 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera, it captures detailed footage with its f1.55 aperture and 170 degrees wide-angle lens, ensuring clear visibility even in low-light conditions. Key features include supercapacitor technology for reliable performance in extreme temperatures, Wi-Fi and GPS for real-time tracking and connectivity via the REDTIGER app, and intelligent features like G-sensor for incident auto-locking, 48-hour parking mode, and time-lapse recording. Its user-friendly design includes easy installation, loop recording, and compatibility with up to 256GB SD cards, making it a versatile choice for both daily commutes and long-distance travels. Number 3. DDPAI Z60 Dash Cam. The DDPAI Dash Cam Z60 is a high-performance triple-channel car camera designed for comprehensive surveillance and enhanced driving safety. It features 4K plus 2K plus 1080p resolution recording capabilities across its front, rear, and optional interior cameras, ensuring clear footage from multiple angles. Equipped with advanced technologies like 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity for fast video transfer, Night VIS 2.0 for superior night vision, and ADAS 2.0 driving assistance for real-time hazard alerts, it enhances both day-to-day commuting and long-distance travel safety. Additional features include 24H parking monitor with AOV technology for energy-efficient surveillance, dual storage protection, and smart voice control for seamless operation. Designed for reliability in varied conditions, it integrates GPS tracking and offers a user-friendly experience with its intuitive controls and compact design. Number 4. NOYAFA F9 Pro Dash Cam. The NOYAFA Dash Cam 1080p car DVR stands out with its advanced imaging technology, featuring a Sony IMX307 sensor that ensures clear night vision and sharp 1200 megapixel resolution. Its 170 degrees wide-angle lens captures comprehensive views of the road, ideal for documenting journeys or enhancing vehicle security. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, it facilitates seamless connectivity for viewing and downloading footage directly to smartphones. The dashcam supports up to 256GB Class 10 memory cards, ensuring ample storage for continuous loop recording, which overwrites old footage when necessary. Designed for user convenience, it boasts a compact, obstruction-free form factor and reliable supercapacitor power source. The accompanying app, available in multiple languages, enhances usability with intuitive controls for managing settings and viewing recordings remotely, making it a versatile and user-friendly choice for drivers. Number 5. AZDOME M330 Dash Cam. The AZDOME M330 Car DVR 1080p Dash Cam offers comprehensive features tailored for efficient vehicle monitoring and safety. It features a compact design with a 0.96-inch TNT screen and supports 1080p resolution, Wi-Fi connectivity, and G-sensor technology. Equipped with a supercapacitor instead of a traditional battery, it ensures reliable performance in a wide temperature range from -20 to 70. Key functionalities include loop recording, emergency recording triggered by the G-sensor, and 24-hour parking monitor capability. The dashcam supports voice control in English for hands-free operation and can be managed via a dedicated mobile app for video and picture viewing. Additional features like Super Night Vision, MPEG, for video format, and compatibility with up to 128GB memory cards enhance its utility, making it a robust choice for enhancing vehicle safety and security.